It is like a good initiative by SBI team, and on behalf of the building industry, we would like to congratulate and thank Mr. Amit Jingranji and his team of GMs, DGMs, and the entire team of SBI. So it's like, as our president said, like what is needed. Before that, I will try to focus on like what is Hyderabad, as we all said. Maybe in many bankers like comes from the other places and all that to have a feel of Hyderabad. It's like emerged, it's a like new state, but still it transformed, and maybe it's become global city as we are seeing today. Like for this we can say, ఇంతకుముందు పనీంద్ర గారు చెప్తున్నారు ఆకాశ హార్మ్యాలు అనేది. ఇట్స్ లైక్ 7 years back. అమిత్ జీ आपके लिए बोल रहा है. It was a dream. Maybe you can see all the builders here who are local natives. So iska kya hai, maybe end of that time the industry was like you can feel in Hyderabad, across Telangana or AP in the United time, it's a survival, maybe it's like some kind of job. So इसीलिए ना आप नाथ के जैसा कुछ पैसे कमाने का नहीं, हम जीने का है, कुछ करना है, कुछ this is a one kind of source people used to. That is how it goes on now also. ऐसा system पे ना बड़ा बड़ा maybe this is a high rise structures and no one dreamed of. But like maybe 7 years back, our minister came, chief minister, first time when he became, so he was feeling, dreaming to do something and all that. Maybe बाहर से कोई आता है करेगा, हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं क्या? Maybe at that time he gave some kind of incentives. How it started? Why I am telling all this is the state growth also, maybe end of the efforts of the builders and some kind of impetus given by the government and all that. But these things are going in a much better way for now also. तो वहाँ से चालू हुआ था. Now we can feel proud. End of the day we can see a lot of names we can take. Aparna एक जगह जाता है, they will make a like brand. This is a rate of mine. This is a product of mine. My home जाता है, नया जगह पे जाएगा. This is they can make their product sell like just like that and on the day one. And maybe Raja Pushpa, they have that like maybe these are people who we have to believe and go buy a property and all that. Cyber City, Indies, there's a corporate structure and all that. These are the efforts locally. Why I am telling all this is, हमारा प्रेसिडेंट बोला था, sometime you people have to think about the builder and all that. These are the efforts are there from our side where some kind of support is needed. So we people not like maybe in Telangana we can say it's a struggling, we are coming up. So this industry needs support. Even though not think about the bigger builders and all that, there are medium segment, lower segment and all that, where the project funding is much needed. So इसके बारे में कुछ सोचना पड़ेगा आपको. Now there is a lot of transformation in the industry also. अभी now end of the day everyone can't buy like maybe now we are focusing on the affordable segment also. We are in talks with the government. There we have to actually we are supposed to invite you, but we are a step ahead us and आप इधर बुलाया था हमको. So we are thinking where we can diversify our industry. सो अफोर्डेबल सेगमेंट पे के लिए जाने के लिए सोच रहा है. गवर्नमेंट का टाई अप होके कुछ सब्सिडी इंटरेस्ट मे बी इंटरेस्ट बेनिफिट के कुछ देने का कुछ चांसेस होगा. इवन दैट ऑल्सो वी हैव टू वर्क आउट विथ यू. सो मोर ऑफ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स वी आर थिंकिंग एंड मे बी एंड ऑफ द डे आवर इंडस्ट्री नीडेड मच सपोर्ट फ्रॉम SBI स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, बट वी विल फील सबका बैंक ऑफ इंडिया. सो फॉर दैट टू मेक टू हैपन वी ऑलवेज रिक्वेस्ट you people support to make the things happen for the industry and all that. Thank you very much. Thank you.